see?
Oh, hi, Mr. Sullivan. I was just daydreaming.
About?
It's a long story. Thank you.
Well, I have the time.
I don't think you have enough time, Mr. Sullivan. You're a busy man. You have a whole establishment to run.
You don't worry about my establishment. I have the time to listen to everything that you have on your mind.
You see, Mr. Sullivan, he's like a workaholic. He's a plumber now. But him just always out there even various hours a night him a get called for fix pipe, leakage. I don't
He's a plumber. And he's not tending to the plumbing facilities at home.
Don't get me wrong, Charles used to do what him do good, But since of lately him get very distracted.
Distracted? It's very hard to understand why he would have been distracted, with a woman like you.
Mr. Sullivan, stop it.
You said you're a Christian. What is your position in the church?
Well, Mr. Sullivan, I'm the church secretary. But I should be in the choir now. I have a very unique voice, but for some reason they keep fighting me out.
Looking at you, I know you have a beautiful voice. I would love for you to sing for me.
Me? No?
Yes.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound, burning in an endless dream. Take some time. Mr. Sullivan, what's that?
It's one of the workers. So, I'm one of your workers. Just work with my man. She come to spend the weekend. I tell her, I say, I'm in the only place. So, I will take care of 7 at 8. Okay, Mr. Sullivan. I went and take care of your business. So, is there anything else I can do for you, sir? Well, just make sure that everything is okay at the front, and I'll get with you shortly. Yeah, at the front. At the front. Okay, Mr. Sullivan. I'm going to the front. I'm so sorry about that.
Is everything okay, Mr. Sullivan?
Yes, everything is okay. I just wanted him to deal with some business for me.
Oh, so he works here?
Yes, he's the caretaker.
So what him basically? I don't understand.
Well, takes care of the pool, sweep up the yard, make sure that the plants are watered, and wash the vehicles.
Oh, so he means a yard man?
If you want to say that.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am. I'm currently in dialogue with the owners of the place right now.
Have you seen the place?
Yes, Master. The location is central.
Find out cost and get back to me ASAP.
Yes, ma'am. I surely will do that.
Anthony, we need a location urgently. They've raised the quota.
Wait, what? They've raised the quota? To how many?
12 monthly.
Well, let's just hope.
Anthony, listen, you know I don't work with hope. Get us a spot to operate from. It's absolutely necessary. Do you understand?
Yes, Master. I totally understand.
Next order of business. When do I meet our scapegoat?
next week.
That very vague, young man.
Masu, you meet her on Monday, okay?
Based on the pictures I've seen, you could have done much better.
Yeah, but truth be told, she possesses all the leadership skills that will convince the girls to join, okay?
We'll see. Close this deal with the location and get to work. See you on Monday.
Okay, ma'am. I'll see you on Monday.